Mmm. Bussin'.
Cut 2 chicken breasts, add the chili verde seasoning. Add garlic powder. The Hispanics are free though. Paprika. Put your olive oil in there. Salt. Mix everything up. Dice 2 onions. Cut them in 4s. You're gonna cut 2 green peppers, same exact way. Assemble your kebabs. Add your chicken, your onions, the green pepper, chicken, onion, green pepper. Same pattern. Chicken, onion, green pepper. Throw them on the grill to the desired temperature. Just kidding, don't be nasty. Cook them all the way. Put some barbecue sauce on it, whatever you guys want. And now, don't forget to try it.
Now let me try it. Mmm. Bussin'.